Hello and welcome to the new year. Happy New Year. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and this is my Confessions of a Refashionista, where I show you how to live affordably and sustainably, because why? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. Now, if you've been following me for a while, or even a relatively short time, like a couple months, then you already know that about a month and a half ago, I got some pretty awful news that the owners are selling our house that we live in, so we have to move. So that's why my posting has been a little bit sporadic, because we have been madly trying to find a new home that is suitable for our needs before the new year. Luckily, after oh my God, it was insane. Seriously, I will have to make a video all about trying to find a rental home in Toronto, because it is absolutely crazy. The things we were looking at were just for the price. One house we looked at literally appeared to have squatters in it. There was literally tents upstairs in the bedrooms. Like, what? And they still wanted over $2,000. So, excuse me, no. Anyway, I shall in future make a video all about that, because looking back, it is hilarious, but it is also so crazy what people are actually allowed to get away with here in Toronto as far as rental properties go. And as tenants, sadly, you don't really have any rights when you're just kind of looking around. It's either take it as is or don't take it at all. Anyway, as I said, I'm going on too much. So let's get into today's video.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Before we get started, I actually have already finished shooting the video, so I totally forgot to mention though that I created this really cool sweater here, which has like this zip, and yeah, if you want the tutorial for this, ooh, isn't that cool? I shall link it down below as well. So yeah, now back to the video. Now, because I am in the process of packing up to move, I actually don't have a full-on tutorial video for you today for the new year. However, I do have loads of videos on my channel, as well as, I say this all the time, but I think I have like over 1,600 tutorials and articles over on my Confessions of a Refashionista site, refashionistasherry.com. So if you want to get started on your sustainable lifestyle journey for this year, head on over to my site and everything is over there. I shall also link down below to my Refashionista New Year videos from the past. So last year I shared all of my tips, tricks, and tutorials for how to upsize your existing wardrobe, because you know what? This whole new year, new you, it is a load of crap, is it not? And I think we can all agree that New Year's resolutions are and there's really no need to, kill yourself trying to get in shape, trying to fit into clothes that don't fit you anymore. So yeah, just click that link and go and upsize the clothes that don't fit you anymore using my tutorials. You don't have to make yourself fit into these things. You can make the things fit your body now, because come on, as we get older, as things happen in our lives, our bodies change, weight fluctuates, and it's nothing to be ashamed of, and it's nothing wrong. So yeah, instead of changing your outside to match the clothes you want to wear, why not change the clothes you want to wear to match your outside size? It's very easy to do. And as I said, link is down below for all of that. Plus, if you are wanting to kind of zhuzh up and fancy up your style a little bit, I do actually have a video dedicated to all of my pre-loved party looks. And yeah, all of these items I either made myself or I scored them from thrift shops, charity shops, swaps, and yeah, all my tips, tricks are over there too. So that is also linked below. My goodness, if you want to actually really and truly refashion your own existing wardrobe from like top to bottom, then seriously, you need to check out my Refashioning 101 e-course. Like it's like hours of course. It really is like a little mini college or uni course. And it has absolutely everything from where and how to get started thrifting, how to edit your wardrobe, how to do a wardrobe audit, and what to do with the items you no longer want, all the way through how to, hand sew, how to machine sew, plus, of course, loads of no-sew tutorials, sewing tutorials, just everything you could need. Shoes, I mean, it is all there. And I did also include in the last lesson how to go about selling the items you make or just the items from your closet that you no longer want online. And it's like everything in that little lesson there shows you how to do photographs. I mean, just using your phone. You don't need any special equipment to do any of this. And again, I am the proof that you don't need any special equipment because I don't have any special equipment and I do it myself. Anywho, so all of these links are down below, and I do wish you a very happy and healthy and a wonderful new year. And absolutely, if you guys have any like packing tips, moving tips, please do leave them down below in a comment. And I'm thinking actually that I might film some of my packing and share some of my top packing tips because, again, if you've been following me for a while, you will know that not only did I live and work in Japan, England, Greece, and Germany, and did all those international moves, I did do a huge international move from Germany back to Canada. And that, I mean, that's a lot of moving. So I do kind of know how to pack things for huge moves. And since being here, this will be the our fourth move. And again, I will link down below to the kind of explanation of all of that and why we've had to move through no fault of our own. And yeah, I as I said before, I truly hope that 2022 is going to be magnificent for all of us. Once I am moved and settled into my new home, I do have some incredibly exciting opportunities that have just come my way, after about a decade of having my blog and channel and doing everything I do. It's finally starting to come together a little bit, and I am finally getting the opportunities that I was, so hoping for, and hard work is paying off. So I shall share all of that once everything is released, and it will be just a very fun, exciting time for my new year, I guess, moving, these opportunities. If you guys have anything going on in 2022, 100%, I want to know about it. Let's make this video comments all about kind of sharing all the wonderful things that we are planning, that we are hoping are going to happen. It doesn't have to be anything that's actually truly going to happen, just something that you hope happens, that you're planning on happening in the new year. And yeah, head on over to refashionistasherry.com. Check out my e-courses. I do have more than one, so that's awesome too. And until next time, which hopefully won't be too long, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.